Want to connect your Android device to your PC so you can view your phone's display on a larger screen? We can help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to mirror your Android screen to your PC. Now let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your Android and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To mirror your Android screen to your PC, first open the Connect app on your PC. You can find it by typing Connect into the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen. On your Android, open your Settings app and select More Networks. Then scroll down and tap Screen Mirroring. Tap the name of your PC when it appears. Your Android will then connect to your PC wirelessly, and you'll be able to see your full Android screen on your PC. Use your Android to navigate to whatever app or page you want to show on your PC. When you're finished and want to disconnect your display, open the Settings app on your Android again and tap End Connection at the bottom. Tap OK to confirm. That's all it takes to mirror your Android screen to your PC. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.